I come and say, I want to do business with you, I want to partner with you, but for my own client to trust you and Kinecon, where is your office? Please don't be angry. Did you see this advert in my office? Did you see this advert in my office? Or some people say, where is your physical address? Was it in my physical address you saw this advert? Then what me I used to say is, when you know that you actually need somebody with physical office, why can't you go to, if you go to Lagos, Ikeja, you see that area, maybe Tembasin, Abi Water Carrington, that area, if you count the amount of agents that is there, my dear, you will lose count. You can see these agents in their physical office near Water Carrington, Abi Ikeja. You know, any of these people that even in Lagos, you know how many agents that is there? You pass all those ones with their shop, with their office, you now came on YouTube, you now saw me doing adverts. I did not post address, I did not post anything. You're not asking me, can you have a physical office? Can we see? The way they are seeing me in my video, uncle. The way they have seen me in my video. So, more going you. More so saying it. So, the thing is, I don't know. Some of you, you come to my email, you come to my DM. Some people, even to pay consultation fee 50,000 naira, they'll be asking me, where is your office? Where is your name? What's your father's name? Your clinical name? They'll be asking me different questions. I'm like, do you people know that at a time, I almost tell my house to office that, okay, because of people that have trust issue, but no, I have greater percentage of people that pay me more than people that do not have trust issue. So if you have trust issue, please go and find another agent. Don't come and stress my life. I exist only online. Anybody that can pay, they should pay. And if they can't pay, they should leave it. So apparently, guys, guess what? Wait up. I don't know, but guys, guess what? See, this is me telling you, if you're running an online business, see, if people want to trust you, they will trust you. You don't have to stress yourself. Just come online and do it. That's why when somebody enter my email or my DM and they're asking me for assurance, can you call? I know I used to say the easiest way to make me angry, to make me adverse, is to ask me, how sure are you? How sure is this? If you don't trust what I say in my video, you're familiar, because I've had clients that they'll just send me email, they'll not even stress, they'll just say, please, your account number, and that's it. But some of you come to my email, you'll be asking me plenty of questions. Can you call? Please. So, you guys know one of the packages that is actually ongoing is the USA 2 million naira package, right? If you've not seen the video, I'll put the link in my description box. Attach to it USA. You see US as a playlist or 2M package, right? Yeah. So you actually see it there, then you can actually check it like that. So I was just on my own this afternoon. I was just that was that. A client was saying, so okay, we've been talking, she now says she has made payments. And as usual, you know, when you make payments, I'll transfer you to my WhatsApp. Only for, I should say that somebody chatted me with plus Kinecon. But anyway, it's here because you guys to say one thing, that if you know the amount of immigration SCAM I have survived on this channel, well, it reached for somebody to be dragging me like this. So my people who are smart, if you guys check YouTube very well, I've seen a whole lot of YouTubers that actually used to come online and they will be doing all this public apology. I'm sorry, I didn't know that the person is knocking. I think people see me coming here to tell you I'm sorry for anything because I'm bad. I don't want to pay. Okay. So anytime I see plus anything, me or for more, because I know there's a way they can get this number online. There are some websites like, you know, I'm not able to fall for anything. So me, I felt like maybe it's just a Nigerian and can you understand? Only for the person, I don't know, she kept talking. She was not like she's in the US, and she was like, can't I see that she's using USA number? I said, it did not mean, you know, anybody can get the number online. Like I used to say, me, I am used to, not like I'm used to have, I know all this SCAM this thing. So all those international, you know, they freak me. Websites, you know, they freak me. There are some things I look out for in websites. You know, those type, you know, when your eye don't see too much, you go get trust issue. So I don't get trust issue. You don't. This guy now had to make a video that to show that he's actually truly she's actually truly what am I saying? that she's actually truly inside the US. I was like, when I saw it, she now actually made video. She now showed us. I'm like, what's so money? So this client is actually based in the US, and you paid a girl staying in Nigeria for USA package. Have I made a promotion? I'm like, When this client was chatting with me throughout before she made payments, she did not tell me to bring my hair though. She know, I was asking her that, how did you trust a Nigerian this much? Like, you don't get trust issues. She was not like, she has been watching me for like 6 months. Even at that, do you know me from one place before? Did anybody refer you to me? She's like, she's been watching me for a while and she trusts me. I'm like, do you know the thing that actually make me to, I don't even know, that make me to, you understand, is the fact that this package is the country that she is. She can easily, visit a person, visit a lawyer or anything. But she still see that there's one corrupt girl that is talking online that she is a whole lot of trust. And aside that, I've had clients that are based in UK. I don't have Canada, yes. And I've had clients that are based in UK. I've had in US. I think it's the second or third clients I'll be getting in US. I've had in other countries as well. And I'm wondering that, how will you people live where you are, and then it's one girl that is inside Ibadan? That is so exceptional. That is so. It's like, so I told her, I've never answered that. I just let her answer that. Wait, I'll come and do video and actually prepare you guys. Like, so it was really so. It was really so. It was so, I don't even know the words to say. I don't know. But this is me in a way just saying that to every single one of you that you've actually paid to me in one way or the other, or maybe you can't afford my fee, but you trust me that much. I just come here to make videos. I don't even used to swear with my life. I don't have physical office. Some of you, most of you even think I'm outside the country. You don't even know where I am, and you trust me that much. When I come and talk about something, you come and pay. You not even think that Nigeria is there. Some people can be like this. Some people can be like that. You trust me that much, guys. I don't know what to say to you guys, but thank you very much. This is a very, very huge trust. A huge one. And the funny thing is, do you know that as this process is going, you see this 100k that we are using to check eligibility? I know some people that say 100k is too much for me to check eligibility. That what if? You see, inside that 100k, some people are saying, what if I'm not eligible? Will you refund me back? Some people also say, no, in that 100k, where is your address? Where do you stay? You know me inside my email. See, video was nice. I'm not even nice. I'm not a nice person. If you are showing me that trust issue, for those of you that have showed me that trust issue, I used to finish you. Let's say. So, like I used to say, if I make a video and you watch it and your mind did not connect with me or it did not go with me, in the name of the Lord, just walk and pass. It doesn't have to. And then the ones that people used to do. They see that I make videos online, they saw this advert online, they saw this post online. They will now carry their 2 legs and enter inside my mail or my DM and come and say, I want to do business with you, I want to partner with you. But for my own client to trust you and Kinecon, where is your office? Please don't be angry. Did you see this advert in my office? Did you see this advert in my office? Or some people say, where is your physical address? Was it my physical address you saw this advert? Then what me I used to say is, when you know that you actually need somebody with physical office, why can't you go to, if you go to Lagos, Ikeja, you see that area, maybe Abi Water Carrington, that area, if you count the amount of agents that is there, my dear, you will lose count. You can see these agents in their physical office near Water Carrington, Abi Ikeja. You know, any of these people that even in Lagos, you know how many agents that is there? You pass all those ones with their shop, with their office, you now came on YouTube, you now saw me doing adverts. I did not post address, I did not post anything. You're now asking me, can you have a physical office? Can we see? The way they are seeing me in my video, uncle. The way they are seeing me in my video. So, like I told my USA client that I'm making this video to prepare you people. The people that they are abroad, that they are inside this country, girl, they are trusting me that is in Nigeria with this process. And then you that you're in Nigeria, you're asking, you're saying, this one something happened. Can you come? like that. You don't trust. I have a Canada consultation with the clients now. This is 5, but this Canada consultant, they used to call it like 10 minutes late, so it's 5. This call around 5, so like 10 minutes. Let me quickly watch this video. So, but there is somebody that is in US that is supposed to even say, how would I pay somebody that is in Nigeria? The person cannot, like, this client has every reason not to even pay me. Let's even say Nigeria, she has every reason. But then you still felt like, I've been watching you, though it's not for her, she said she's doing it for somebody in Nigeria. But then even at that, they are agents in USA now. See guys, thank you so much. This means a whole lot to me, like a whole lot. Like, I cannot appreciate you guys enough. This is a whole lot. It's a whole lot, like, and that's why I am always very careful and skeptical with the package I bring to you guys. That's why you people see me, I used to come and cancel easily, because it's better for people to know you as Madam Counselor and not attach any stories to you that, hey, this guy took money from me, then you don't cancel a package. They are dragging you left, right, and center. Now she collect the money, now she do this one, now she, that way. So my business is 1 year plus, and if you type my name on Google, you can't see anything by mistake attached to me. If you type my personal name or my business name, nothing. You cannot see anything that is actually attached to me. So guys, it's not easy to maintain that integrity in this Nigeria, because sometimes it's not easy. Do you know how many have survived? So like I used to say, sometimes you just be on YouTube, you see other agents, other YouTubers, they will just come and say, I didn't know that this agent was like this. I'll just can't pass. I feel for them, and that's why I came to tell you guys, I no longer work with Nigerian agents. That's why I ran away and I started doing my own package myself, or I'll partner with people that they are tied to this government and everything, so that and this is 1 year plus, and nobody can come outside and say, hey, this guy took money from me, you didn't do something, I pay you for visa, you didn't come. If I know that there is something I will not do, I would rather come online to actually cancel the package than take money from you. Like, I have so many reasons, so many ways I would have taken money from you guys. Like that food picking job that I canceled, I said you pay me 300k. After collecting people's money, I'll just come and say, I didn't know that it's clinical, and then I'll shop your money. What will you do? You will not do anything. But I will lose my credibility. I will. So it's better you know me as this girl. She can cancel anything. I did not know that. So now, that's why I told you guys, even when the client chatted me with +1, me fall from, because if you know how many SCAM I've seen in this business that I have survived, plus anything, JB man, they shock me again. Anybody can use anything plus. They shock me again. Even websites. There's some website that even if it's all this website that even have padlock, it's not all encrypted websites that is legit. I've gone through a lot on this immigration. So before person go, it will be hard. This is me telling you guys, thank you guys so much for trusting me that much. I sincerely appreciate you guys. It means a whole lot to me. Thank you guys so much, and I hope I continue to serve you more and serve you better. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So if you know you are still interested in the USA package or anything, you know where to find my number. Is in the description box of this video. You can send me a mail, you can send me a DM, and I can't wait to have you guys on board. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye for now.